Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a Coomeet mod. So look at that, guys. It's actually ready for you. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it unlimited, as you can see. So let's go, bro. This is crazy. The coins are limited, bro. VIP is activated, skip ads, all that stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So first things first, go to tweakmod.com, type in Coomeet, and press install. This will install the modded version onto your device, so let's just wait for it to download, as you can see. So I'm just gonna wait. So yeah, that's super crazy, bro. This actually works, but yeah, it's pretty awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, but definitely go ahead and try it out. So we're just gonna wait for it to download here, as you can see. So it's almost done. All right. So yes, this is the verification. It's a one-time process. Just downloading some apps, completing the instructions, 100% for free. So as you can see, it says missing files, additional files required. So what you gotta do is download 2 of these apps to install the Coomeet mod. So they're like Play Store apps and stuff. So that's easy enough. See, this one's like down and run for 3 days. But yeah, it's easy. So I'll see you later, but that's how to get the Coomeet mod. You can get free coins. So crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, but definitely go and try it out for yourself. This is super insane, guys, and it's 2025. So if that works for you guys, definitely go and share it. This is so cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed, but be sure to try it out. It's updated and everything. So get the word out, bro.